So the third experiment is about aggregate and built-in functions. Here we are given with some tables like deposit table, branch table, customer table and borrow table. I have created all those tables using the commands which we have already seen in the previous experiments. So here first what we are going to do is we have to display the total loan amount taken by the borrowers from the borrower table. So here you can see I have user command select sum of loan amount from the borrower table. I have given the borrower table with the name borrow underscore 1073. So here the output is displayed. The same total, we are going to find the total deposit done by the depositors from deposit table. The same command, but the different input we should give, and the table name also will vary. Similarly, for third question, we have did, but we have specified the branch name as unvary. So for the fourth question also, we have specified that the depositors uh, which way they deposited after the date 1st January 1996. So you can see here. Then for finding average, similarly we will use select average of amount from deposit table where the branch name is equal to Nagpur. So this is the output. And for finding maximum, we use select max of the column name and from the table name and where for which branch you need. I have mentioned the branch and vary. So here how they asked how many distinct branch cities are there in the branch table. So I have used select count of distinct city, which in the sense like unique from branch table. So there are 4 distinct cities. Then finding the total number of customer cities. So we use count to count all those customer cities. Then now writing a query to display the branch name and branch wise deposit. So I am selecting branch name and amount column from the deposit table. It will be displayed as how you can see in the screen. Now give the branch wise deposit of the customer after account date 1st January 1996. So here you can see similarly I'm selecting the branch name and amount column from the deposit table uh, where the amount account date should be greater than after the 1st January 1996. So I have used greater than symbol which displays the account which are being opened after 1st Jan 1996. Now from the borrow table we are finding a total number of borrowers in each branch. So the command is like select b name in the sense branch name and count of the customer's name from the borrow table, then grouping by branch name, then finding the total count of the depositors branch wise. The same similar command which we have used previously, you can see here, but the table is alone different. Now finding the maximum loan from branch Virar. So select maximum of loan amount from the table borrow where branch name is Virar. Then listing the branches having sum of deposits more than 45,000. So selecting the branch name column and the sum of amount column. Then from it is from the deposit table and grouping by the branch name for which it have sum of amount is greater than 45,000. And calculating the length of the string DBMS from dual table. This is very simple command like select length of the word from the table. Then for displaying it in uppercase, you should use just upper. Select upper and the table column name from the table. So you can see here the output. Then I'm displaying the substring NIL from the name Sunil, which is from the deposit table. So select substring sub str from the name Sunil. I have to display NIL, so I used from 3 to 4. So you can see here from the table name I have mentioned. Now I'm going to prefix 00 to all the account numbers from the account number column. So I have used select concatenation I have used. So we are concatenating 00 to all the account numbers. So select concat what the thing you need to prefix. I have used 00 and the column name from the table. Now for sorting, we just use select star from deposit order by account number. So for sorting, we use just order by command. Then finding the total number of months since an account is opened by the customer. So you can see here select months between the system date, the present date of the system, and the date which the account is opened from the deposit table. Then using the round and truncate functions to round off and truncate the value given value to decimal positions after the decimal point using dual table. So just for rounding off, select round and the value from dual table. Then select truncate and the value from dual table. That's it.